I want to share a lovely phrase that a client of mine taught me recently. The phrase is calm certitude. Stephanie Swafford, rapidbodymindclarity.com here. Calm certitude. That's how she knows she is tapping into her innate wisdom and her deep knowing. There is a calm certitude. There isn't a lot of fuss going on. There is a certainty, calm certitude. Now, this is a lovely way to explain the difference between what I call our chatter mind and our body mind. When we're listening to our chatter mind, there's a lot of noise. Well, maybe I should have, better not, and what if I do? That's listening to our chatter mind. When we listen with our body minds, yes, there's just this knowing. We know. Sometimes I call it a no-brainer moment. We don't have to explain it. We don't have to rationalize it. It just is calm certitude. For me, it's pretty quiet. It could be a word, a phrase, a visual. Sometimes it's just as simple as, psst, ah, got it, got it. Are you familiar with your own calm certitude? Do you know the difference between listening to your chatter mind and listening with your body mind? Calm certitude, it just is. It just is. What is that quality in your life? Do you tap into it? Do you draw on it? Do you need a little guidance in getting even more comfortable with that? Calm certitude. Let's consider what your calm certitude is like, shall we? rapidbodymindclarity.com. Wander over and let's connect. Thanks much. Here's to calm certitude. Until next time, cheers.